Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker, VS Code, and how to run n8n on your laptop. So let's start with the first step, which is installing Docker. You will find the download link in the description below. Just open the link and download Docker. In my case, I'm using Windows, so make sure you select the Windows version. During the installation, you will be asked to choose an installation path. Once the downloading is finished, open Docker. You might see a screen like this asking you to restart. Click Restart. Now a command prompt window will open. Just press Enter here and Docker will start installing WSL. So Docker is built to run on Linux. This is why it installed WSL2, which is allow Windows to run a real Linux kernel inside it. This lets Docker run Linux containers smoothly just like on a server, without using a full virtual machine. Once everything is installed, you should see a screen like this. At this point, Docker is successfully installed on your machine. Now let's move on to the next step, which is pulling the official n8n Docker image. Let's go and create a new folder. I'm gonna call this n8n. Any name will work with you. Open this folder. Open the command prompt and run this command, docker version. If you see the version information like this, Docker is installed and running correctly. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. If you don't have VS Code installed, don't worry, I will show you how to install it. Create a new file in this folder and give it the same exact name. This step is very important. Finally, paste the code that I provided in the description or in GitHub link below. Now let's break it down and see exactly what this code is doing. Here we got the version. This tells Docker which compose syntax version you are using. 3.8 is stable and widely recommended in our case. For the service, this is where you defined all containers in your app. Each server means one container. This is the server name used internationally by Docker, and latest to tell it always pulls the newest version. The container name. This is the actual name of the container in Docker. Without this, Docker auto-generates random names. Restart always tells Docker to auto-restart n8n. And for the port, to tell it that you have always to run n8n on this exact port, which is 5678. For the environment now, this is the configuration value passed into n8n at startup. This is how you control n8n behaviors without editing code. Enable login protection, adds a username, password before accessing to n8n. Without this, anyone on your network can access to your workflow. This is how you control how your workflow are executed. And finally, the volumes, which is tell n8n to always save your workflow, credential, settings, even when it's not running. Without this, everything will be gone when you close n8n. Now this is all the code we need. Next, open your terminal and let's run the n8n image using this simple command. Docker compose app-d. After running the command, wait for a few moments while everything starts. Now let's run another command to make sure the image is running correctly. You can also go back to Docker Desktop. There you should see a container named n8n running on your laptop inside Docker. Let's go and open on your browser. Just hold Control and click on this link. Now all you need to do is to create a new account, enter your information, choose a strong password, and click Next. You can fill the remaining details however you like, or you can follow the same steps I'm using. And that's it, n8n is now running successfully on your laptop. Now for those of you who don't have VS Code installed on your laptop, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. Go to the link provided in the description below. In my case, I'm going to choose Windows, choose the installation path, and once the download is completed, open the exe file and follow these simple steps. And just like that, VS Code is successfully installed on your laptop.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your first workflow. It will be a Gmail auto-response workflow with AI and it's 100% free. I'll provide all the information you need. If you are excited for this, just comment Gmail in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials.